In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock or unfreeze a Wise card. If your Wise card has been frozen and you're ready to start using it again, the process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can unfreeze the card without confusion. This is especially helpful if you previously froze the card for security reasons and now want to reactivate it. To begin, go to the Wise homepage and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to look over the navigation area so you can easily find the card settings. Starting from the homepage is important because it gives you access to the full account menu and all your available card options in one place. Next, click on Cards. This will take you to the section where Wise displays the cards connected to your account. In this area, you can manage your physical and digital cards, review their status, and access important controls like freezing and unfreezing. If you have more than one card, just make sure you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. After that, click on Digital Card. This opens the specific card management page for your Wise digital card. On this screen, you'll usually be able to see the card's current status and the available actions you can take. It's a good idea to pause here for a second and confirm that the card shown is the one you want to reactivate. Then, click on Unfreeze Card. Once you do that, Wise will remove the freeze from the card, and it should be ready to use again. If the button is visible, that usually means the card is currently frozen and can be reactivated right away. After unfreezing it, you may want to wait a few moments and then check that the status has updated properly. And that's it. That's how to unblock or unfreeze a Wise card. As a quick tip, if you froze the card because you couldn't find it, make sure you're fully comfortable using it again before reactivating it. And if the card still doesn't work after unfreezing, try refreshing the page or checking the card status again in the cards section. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Wise card working again quickly and easily.